Dear friends, this video is topic 2 of basic skill of hydraulic excavator. Useful to construction professional and technicians working in construction and mining machines. We will discuss about A. Hydraulic excavator operation. B. Machine controls and functions. C. Basic maneuvers and operating techniques. D. Digging, loading, and lifting operations. E. Precision and efficient operation. Now we will start presenting different topic. A. Hydraulic excavator operation. Operating a hydraulic excavator requires a combination of technical skills, situational awareness, and adherence to safety protocols. Here is an overview of the key steps involved in hydraulic excavator operation. 1. Pre-operational checks. Perform a thorough inspection of the excavator before operation. Check the fuel and hydraulic fluid levels, inspect the tracks or wheels, ensure the attachments are properly secured, and examine the controls and safety features. Address any issues or concerns before proceeding. 2. Startup procedure. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to start the excavator. This typically involves turning on the ignition, engaging the emergency brake, and allowing the engine to warm up. Familiarize yourself with the control layout and ensure that all controls are functioning properly. 3. Safe entry and exit. Use the designated access points and handholds to enter and exit the excavator cabin safely. Maintain 3-point contact, 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet and 1 hand, when climbing or descending. 4. Operator cabin setup. Adjust the seat, mirrors, and controls to ensure a comfortable and ergonomic operating position. Adjust the ventilation, heating, or cooling systems as needed. Ensure clear visibility through the front, sides, and rear windows. 5. Control familiarization. Become familiar with the various controls and switches in the operator cabin. These include joysticks, pedals, levers, and buttons for operating the boom, stick, bucket, swing, and other functions. Practice operating the controls in a controlled manner to gain proficiency. 6. Safety belt and personal protective equipment, PPE. Fasten your seatbelt securely before operating the excavator. Additionally, wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, such as a hard hat, high-visibility vest, safety glasses, steel-toe boots, and hearing protection, as required by the job site. 7. Operation techniques. When operating the excavator, keep the following techniques in mind. On smooth movements, use gentle, smooth movements when operating the controls to ensure precision and prevent jerky motions. B. Gradual actions. Gradually increase or decrease the speed of the controls, particularly when moving the boom, stick, or swing. Avoid sudden or abrupt movements. C. Digging techniques. Position the bucket close to the ground and use a combination of boom, stick, and bucket movements to dig effectively. Maintain control and stability throughout the digging process. D. Load management. Be aware of the machine's load capacity and avoid overloading the bucket. Distribute the load evenly and secure it properly before moving. E. Swing operations. Use caution when swinging the upper structure of the excavator. Maintain a safe clearance from surrounding structures, objects, or personnel. 8. Safe working conditions. Maintain situational awareness at all times. Be aware of the presence of other workers, vehicles, and obstacles in the work area. Follow safety protocols for working near trenches, utilities, or other potential hazards. 9. Communication. Establish clear communication with other workers on the job site. Use standardized hand signals or two-way radios to coordinate movements and alert others of your actions. 10. Shutdown procedure. Follow the proper shutdown procedure when ending the operation. This typically involves lowering attachments to the ground, engaging the parking brake, turning off the engine, and securing the excavator. Remember, always prioritize safety and follow the manufacturer's guidelines and job site-specific protocols when operating a hydraulic excavator. Regular training, experience, and vigilance contribute to safe and efficient operation. B. Machine controls and functions of hydraulic excavator. Hydraulic excavators have various machine controls and functions that allow operators to maneuver the machine and perform specific tasks. Here are the primary machine controls and functions typically found in hydraulic excavators. 1. Travel controls. At tracks or wheels, hydraulic excavators can have either tracks, crawler excavators, or wheels, wheeled excavators, for mobility. Travel controls operate the tracks or wheels, allowing the excavator to move forward, backward, and turn. 2. Boom controls. At boom raise/lower, this control raises or lowers the boom, the primary arm of the excavator that extends vertically from the upper structure. B. Boom swing. It allows the boom to swing left or right, enabling the excavator to cover a wider working area without moving the tracks or wheels. C. Arm controls the extension and retraction of the stick or arm, which is attached to the boom. 3. Bucket controls. At bucket curl, this control curls or rolls the bucket inward or outward, allowing it to scoop or dump material. B. Bucket dump. It tilts the bucket to dump the contents. C. Bucket roll. This control rolls the bucket from side to side, enabling better positioning or leveling of the bucket during operations. 4. Blade controls. At blade raise/lower, hydraulic excavators with a blade feature controls that raise or lower the blade, which is typically located at the front of the machine. The blade is used for pushing or leveling material. 5. Auxiliary controls. At auxiliary hydraulics, hydraulic excavators often have auxiliary hydraulic circuits to operate additional attachments or tools. These controls allow the operator to activate and control the flow of hydraulic fluid to the auxiliary attachment. 6. Swing controls. A swing controls the rotation of the upper structure of the excavator, allowing it to rotate 360 degrees. 7. Display and monitoring. An instrument panel displays vital information about the excavator's operation, such as engine RPM, hydraulic system pressure, temperature, fuel levels, and warning indicators. B. Cameras and proximity sensors. Some excavators are equipped with cameras and proximity sensors to provide better visibility and enhance safety while operating. It's important for operators to receive proper training on the specific machine controls and functions of the hydraulic excavator they are operating. Familiarity with these controls and their functions is essential for safe and efficient operation. C. Basic maneuvers and operating techniques of hydraulic excavator. Operating a hydraulic excavator requires a combination of basic maneuvers and operating techniques to ensure safe and efficient operation. Here are some essential maneuvers and techniques commonly used. 1. Traveling. At start and stop, use the travel controls to smoothly start and stop the excavator's movement. Gradually accelerate and decelerate to maintain control and stability. B. Straight travel. Maintain a straight path while traveling to prevent unnecessary turns or swerving. Align the tracks or wheels parallel to the desired direction of travel. 2. Turning. At counter rotation, to make a sharp turn, engage counter rotation by operating the tracks or wheels in opposite directions. This maneuver helps the excavator pivot around a central point. B. Gradual turning. For wider turns, use differential steering by operating one track or wheel faster than the other. This allows the excavator to make gradual turns without excessive skidding or strain. 3. Excavation techniques. At digging, position the excavator's boom, stick, and bucket in the desired location for digging. Control the boom and stick movements to reach the desired digging depth and angle. B. Loading. Use the bucket controls to scoop or load material efficiently. Position the bucket close to the ground, curl the bucket to gather the material, and then raise the boom while keeping the bucket level to prevent spillage. C. Swing and dump. After loading the bucket, swing the upper structure of the excavator to position the loaded bucket over the desired dumping area. Control the bucket curl to release the material smoothly. 4. Precision and control. At smooth movements, operate the machine controls with gentle, smooth movements to ensure precision and prevent jerky motions. This helps to maintain control over the excavator and its attachments. B. Gradual actions. Gradually increase or decrease the speed of the controls to control the excavator's movements precisely. Avoid sudden or abrupt movements that can cause instability or damage. 5. Safety considerations. Ground stability. Assess the ground conditions and ensure stable footing for the excavator. Be cautious of soft or unstable terrain that may affect stability. B. Clearance. Maintain a safe clearance from structures, objects, and other equipment to prevent collisions or accidents. C. Utility awareness. Identify and locate underground utilities before excavating. Use utility locators or consult relevant information to avoid damaging utility lines during digging. Remember, it is crucial to receive proper training and familiarize yourself with the specific controls and operating techniques of the hydraulic excavator you are using. Always prioritize safety and adhere to manufacturer guidelines and job site-specific protocols for safe and efficient operation. D. Digging, loading, and lifting operations of hydraulic excavator. Hydraulic excavators are commonly used for digging, loading, and lifting operations on construction sites. Here's an overview of the techniques involved in each of these operations. 1. Digging. At positioning, position the excavator in a suitable location near the area to be excavated. Ensure that the excavator is stable and on firm ground. B. Approach. Slowly approach the excavation site, aligning the boom and stick with the desired digging spot. C. A digging depth and angle. Use the boom and stick controls to adjust the digging depth and angle as needed. Gradually lower the boom and stick to the desired level, maintaining control over the excavation process. D. Bucket placement. Position the bucket close to the ground, ensuring that the teeth or cutting edge make contact with the soil or material. E. Scooping. Use the bucket curl control to scoop or dig into the soil or material. Maintain smooth and controlled movements to avoid excessive strain on the excavator. F. Swinging and dumping. Once the bucket is filled, swing the upper structure of the excavator to position the loaded bucket over the desired dumping location. Control the bucket curl to release the material smoothly. 2. Loading. At positioning, place the excavator in a suitable position for loading materials into trucks, hoppers, or containers. B. Bucket placement. Position the bucket at an appropriate height and angle to efficiently load materials. C. Scooping. Use the bucket controls to scoop or load materials such as soil, gravel, or debris. Maintain control and stability throughout the loading process. D. Loading technique. Position the bucket close to the material pile, curl the bucket to gather the material, and then raise the boom while keeping the bucket level to prevent spillage. E. Swing and dump. After loading the bucket, swing the upper structure of the excavator to position the loaded bucket over the target area. Control the bucket curl to release the material smoothly. 3. Lifting. At positioning, position the excavator in a stable and secure location for lifting operations. B. Attachment selection. Attach the appropriate lifting attachment, such as a lifting hook or grapple, to the excavator's boom. C. Load assessment. Assess the weight and balance of the load to ensure it is within the excavator's lifting capacity. D. Lifting technique. Use the boom, stick, and bucket controls to position the lifting attachment accurately. Lift the load smoothly and maintain control throughout the lifting operation. E. Swinging and placement. If required, swing the upper structure of the excavator to move the load to the desired location. Control the movements to ensure precise placement of the load. Throughout all these operations, operators should maintain situational awareness, follow safety protocols, and communicate with other personnel on the job site to ensure a safe and efficient workflow. It's important to adhere to manufacturer guidelines and receive proper training on the specific techniques and capabilities of the hydraulic excavator being used. E. A precision and efficient operation of hydraulic excavator. Precision and efficient operation of a hydraulic excavator are crucial for maximizing productivity and minimizing waste. Here are some tips to achieve precision and efficient operation. 1. Familiarize yourself with the controls. Develop a solid understanding of the machine controls and their functions. Practice operating the excavator controls to gain precision and control over its movements. 2. Smooth and gradual movements. Use gentle and smooth movements when operating the controls. Avoid jerky motions that can lead to instability or damage. Gradually accelerate or decelerate the controls to maintain control and stability. 3. Use the correct attachment. Select the appropriate attachment for the task at hand. Different attachments, such as buckets, breakers, or grapples, have specific functions. Using the right attachment improves efficiency and precision in performing different tasks. 4. Plan and visualize. Before initiating any operation, plan the sequence of movements and visualize the desired outcome. Having a clear plan helps you execute tasks with precision and efficiency. 5. Utilize the full range of motion. Take advantage of the full range of motion of the excavator's boom, stick, and bucket. Properly extend, retract, raise, and lower these components to achieve precise positioning and digging depths. 6. Maintain proper ground contact. Ensure that the excavator maintains proper ground contact and stability at all times. Proper weight distribution, track or wheel alignment, and keeping the excavator level are essential for precise and efficient operation. 7. Monitor bucket fill level. Pay attention to the bucket fill level during digging and loading operations. Overfilling the bucket can reduce efficiency and stability. Avoid underfilling as well, as it may require additional passes to complete the task. 8. Optimize digging techniques. Implement efficient digging techniques to reduce cycle times and improve productivity. Use the appropriate digging angle, smoothly curl the bucket, and maintain controlled movements during the excavation process. 9. Minimize idle time. Minimize idle time by keeping the excavator in operation as much as possible. Avoid unnecessary pauses or extended breaks that can decrease productivity and waste fuel. 10. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance on the excavator to ensure optimal performance. This includes checking fluid levels, inspecting and lubricating components, and addressing any maintenance or repair needs promptly. 11. Continuous learning and training. Stay updated with the latest techniques and advancements in hydraulic excavator operation. Attend training programs, stay informed about best practices, and seek opportunities to improve your skills and knowledge. By implementing these practices, operators can enhance precision, increase productivity, and operate hydraulic excavators efficiently, resulting in improved performance and reduced project timelines. Friends, we have explained in brief about hydraulic excavator operation. We request all to mention your view and requirement in comments section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Infomechanizer. This is 100% free.